Toyota Hilux Rangga has been officially launched in Indonesia. The price of this car is in a range that can be said to be competitive in the segment, which is between 188.7 million Indonesian rupiahs to 304.5 million Indonesian rupiahs. Hilux Rangga has several advantages compared to its competitors. Here are some of the advantages of Hilux Rangga as explained by PT Toyota Astra Motor, TAM, to support the business needs of customers. Its dimensions are wide. Hilux Rangga is equipped with a fairly spacious bed. The bed is 2,305 mm long and 1,700 mm wide. According to PT TAM, Hilux Rangga is capable of carrying 56 gallons in one load. The maximum load capacity reaches 1.2 tons. Photo: Toyota claims the superiority of Hilux Rangga. Hilux Rangga chassis. Not only does it have great power, Hilux Rangga also has a very good load capacity. This car is capable of carrying loads of up to 1.2 tons. Long size but small turning radius. In fact, the size of the Hilux Rangga can be up to 5.3 meters, which makes this car more flexible than the Wuling Formo and Suzuki Carry. Toyota has taken into account the challenges of maneuvering with this long pickup by including a turning radius feature of only 4.9 meters on the Hilux Rangga model. Superior safety features. This is Toyota's claim regarding the superiority of the Hilux Rangga. ABS system on Rangga's Hilux. Although it is a commercial car, Toyota equips the Hilux Rangga with quite complete safety features. For example, 2-point airbags, anti-lock system, ABS, electronic brake distribution, EBD, immobilizer, and 3-point seat belts. All of these features are available on the Hilux Rangga variant that is not the basic type.